Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. We are finally recording after our little panic session, shall I say. Basically turned the screen horizontal and like the picture weren't really the right way round, so yeah, it took us a while to sort of messing about with the settings, trying different stuff to try fix it. Thank God we have fixed it, just had to like factory reset it, put all my settings on, 4K backing on it and all that, and we are back. Hallelujah. I never need to refasser here up the top. I'll flip you around and, well, yeah, let the adventure begin. Okay, guys, so today it's slightly cooler than what it was yesterday. I'll show you this balcony up here if you can see it. I will try cross over, show you it. Can you see that, guys? All the flowers on it. And we have, of course, down there by Porcatradoros, I think that is. My Spanish ain't the best, guys. See what I got in. I am still looking for a 4K phone, so I can make me uploading a bit easier. I don't even know how to tell what's 4K and what ain't 4K. 5G? Some good stuff in there though, guys. Nintendo 3DS XL. Speakers. Gimbal, a smooth Q2. Oh, I'm not even showing the window there, am I? I don't know what I'm showing. I've sort of lost myself. Oh, there we are. Gimbal Smooth Q2. You can buy like a old-fashioned speaker. Suicide Squad on Blu-ray. A tripod. Not bad tripod, that. I mean, I have already got one, but you never know when you need another, do you? Anyway, other need to refasser is, of course, sort of one of the main roads for some of the main parades. Probably most known for the sort of Penny Parade, starting back sort of around that corner and pretty much coming all the way down here. I think I will try cut off down one of the alleys. Oh, there we are. Might try cut off over here, hopefully. Because Refasser always gets quite busy. It's the sort of main road going into town. Finally brought me hat and my sunglasses out with me, but yeah, my sunglasses aren't really working. Like, they make the screen a bit too bright. Show you this place here. Cafeteria Jonia. Absolutely nuts. So guys, stay tuned to both Benidorm at Mike's channel and the Benidorm Ball for some more great adventures in Benidorm and around the surrounding area. got this extra gift shop there, sort of like an electrical shop, a game shop, tons of stuff. Sort of the main place where I buy my PlayStation points as well, like PlayStation gift cards. I probably will be in there quite soon, probably nearer May, ready to get the new DLC for TK24. Gonna come off down here by Penelope Clinique, which is just sort of an empty shop now, but does get used, oddly enough, as one of the Pena bases. Just coming down this sort of alleyway down there. Got music coming from somewhere. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, guys. Got a nice little bakery there as well. Something I love about Spain. The nice sort of little bakery shops, cake shops you get. Okay, gonna head across here now. And we're gonna head down along Thomas or Tuno. And of course, past a pet shop as well. All the little puppies there. I think man's trying to do a little escape. Oh, cute. Wish I could have a dog, but I don't really think the landlady will like us for having one. Nice sort of toy shop there. Bluey tail as well. Unknown fact, something people didn't really know, is that Bluey can also be shown to your dogs as well. Apparently it's sort of done with the same sort of colours that dogs are able to see, so little bit of a fact there for you. Not only a kids show, but you can show it your dogs as well. And talk about dogs, I think Spain is quite big on dogs over here. They do love their fluffy four-legged friends here in Spain. Okay, hope you're all enjoying this video so far, guys. Another sort of pet shop there, mainly specialising in your little birds, your budgies. Not sure if you can see them in there, guys. Absolute gorgeous. Eh? That can't be right. A magnitude €35. A parakeet, €25. Am I seeing that right, guys? A parakeet at €25? I'm sure I'm seeing that wrong, like, I'm sure I am. Maybe I should go in next payday, like, buy a little parakeet. get a like cage and stuff like that for it. I mean, surely that... Oh, you're funny. But surely that's wrong. I mean, you can buy a pet bird for €25. I mean, not really. I think cage will probably be about the €30, €40 mark. Don't know. Just nip Mercadona, buy some like sunflower seeds for it. What I mean, well, €25 for the bird. I am actually half tempted to go have another look at that on payday, see if it is true, but maybe have a word with Mike first. Got Granny's cafeteria there. Gonna head down to Salary here now, side of the bakery, side of the kebab shop as well. And I meant the side of what used to be the butcher's, now a sort of nail and beauty salon. Yeah, not trying to be racist or that, but they are seeming to pop up everywhere at the moment. Anyway, made homemade kebabs last night. I made doner kebabs with the spice kit that I got in our little gift package off the beautiful Marie Robinson. And they were actually quite nice. Nice little bar there. And one of these like uniform things. I'm not sure if they're the places that can maybe like do your initials on shirts maybe, because that is something I'm wanting to kind of do, like get a few shirts done up with Benidorm Crazy Marcus on, or like BCM, or even just my logo. I'm not too sure yet. Have to have another look at that another day. Anyway, I think I probably will end the video here in a minute, so I'll just sort of pop myself out the way. Okay guys, thanks for watching another great video today. Make sure to hit that like, hit the subscribe, and stay tuned for much more Benidorm content.